Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming prerequisites. Update your iPhone 15 and verify Face ID works with settings Face ID and passcode. Once done, open the app you want to lock and look for its built-in privacy or security section. If the app lacks an internal lock, plan to use screen time app limits or shortcuts as a workaround. Make sure your passcode is memorized, because iOS will require it for authentication setup and recovery options later in the process. Next, tap the app's security or privacy settings and enable Face ID for unlocking. The app will prompt iOS to request Face ID authorization. Look at the screen and complete the face scan when prompted, then grant permission for the app to use Face ID. If the app doesn't offer Face ID, go to Settings Screen Time App Limits, assign the app to a limit, then set Block at End of Limit, and require screen time passcode immediately. This forces authentication to open the app. Finally, fully close the app and reopen to confirm the Face ID prompt appears. This verifies the lock is active. If Face ID does not trigger, go to Settings Face ID and Passcode and re-register or add an alternate appearance, then retry granting app permission. Make sure true depth sensors are clean and not covered by case or screen protector. If problems persist, use screen time or the app's passcode option as a reliable fallback, and restart your iPhone to clear transient issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.